Hey guys, Vincent here, president and co-founder of 271 Performance. And today we're going to talk about a brand new big brake kit for the 2016 Plus Honda Civic. The new 10th generation Civic platform is growing faster than ever, and the power potential coming out of these little 1.5 liters is amazing. With all this go fast, it's important that we focus on some other aspects, such as slowing down just as quick. In all of our R&D development for the 10th generation Civic, we found that the OE brake system was lacking a lot of potential. Between the base model and the SI, we were always wanting more on track. Between issues with brake fade and gassing, the OE system just couldn't keep up. And it's for that very reason that we decided to create a big brake kit ourselves for the 10th generation Civic. When you compare our 2 Performance high-piece rotor to that of an OEM hatchback sport, we've increased rotor diameter by over 50 millimeters and rotor thickness by an extra 5 millimeters. This gives us way more thermal capacity to transfer all the heat and get everything taken care of. To apply the braking force to the rotors, we've designed forged aluminum calipers with stainless steel pistons. The construction of these materials is key for high performance. Forged aluminum was used for its increased strength and minimal weight, and the stainless steel pistons were utilized for its great thermal capacity and heat conductivity. The 271 Performance calipers are going to come with your choice of one of 3 colors: Signature Orange, Red Line Red, or Stealth Black. All of our calipers are powder coated for longevity and superior heat resistance. As with all of our 271 Performance products, your big brake kit is going to come with everything you need. Brackets, stainless steel lines, new hardware, set of pads, everything for complete and seamless install. To make this install easier than ever, we're going to include full color step-by-step instructions along with the correct bedding procedures for your pads and rotors. This is going to ensure your install is smooth, easy, correct, and get the max life out of your performance kit. So at this point, your Civic's probably fully bolted with our intake, big turbo, full exhaust, and everything you need to go fast. So now, make sure you stop just as fast. This is Vincent with 271 Performance, signing out. Catch you later.